Hello people, just a quick one today. Picked it up for $2. It's a churro maker. I have used it. Not quite sure how successful I was, but anyway. Cat's already attacked the box. She loves the boxes. So cool. Nice and greasy. Let's see what's inside. Help if I we'll cover. No spring, that's good. It's always a pain. Okay. Slightly longer screws. And here we go. Alright. So if anyone's wondering, because I haven't really discussed it prior, this is your thermostat, and it's connected to your ready light and power on light. So when the thermostat kicks in, it turns on the ready light and it gets the temperature. And these are obviously your heating elements. And you don't really want to... Oh, we can take them off. They're a bit of a pain to get back on, but you also have to remember the position, which should be fairly obvious when I put it back together. This will be a thermoset plastic, injection molded. It is twisty. Sometimes these are metal, but not today. There's some screws in here for the base. I won't bother to take them off. Nice, efficient Chinese construction. I assume it's Chinese. Bit of detritus. They are exactly the same, so we don't have to worry about mixing them up when we put it back together. Okay. These are usually aluminium with a non-stick coating. Can't really say they're Teflon because that's a brand name. As far as is it? I don't know. Tell me in the comments. Anyone? We have a Star Torx driver. These are quite easy to access. Other times they make it really difficult. Okay. Nice little greasy cover there. And power core stay. Just see if we can get this to focus. Probably not. No. Anyway, Homemaker model 132401. Contract drill. Date 30-15. Date code. Whatever that means. Anyway. Screws up there. We do have some split rings here. These split rings, oh, they're a type of fastener. Here we go. Keeping all the screws together. It all fit on frame, yep. Okay, so the thermostat, basically, this is required by Australian law for it's a fuse. If this gets too hot, it blows. So it removes the contacts, you know what I mean. Very simple heating elements. Yeah. Like I said, just a short one today. So, it's all good. See ya.